Assalamualaikum sir. Good evening. I'm here now at the shop. As you can see, the disc brake is not in good condition. And they remove the disc pad, brake pad. As you can see, it's very thin now, almost gone. And this one is they remove the disc brake, the four disc brake for reface. As you can see, it's not in good condition. This is the reface process, sir. Before this one, and now this is the image of this this brick, sir. In this part, they remove the shock absorber front side. This is the brake pad, sir. Now is a new one. This is the new one. They put it now in the here. This is now the face of the new disc brake reface, new reface. And this is the shock absorber, how to remove the old one and replace the new one. So as you can see, this is the old one. The oil is almost out, and here now the new one is already fixed. Front and back, sir. Front and back new shock absorber. Now this is the part of change oil, sir. And now they put the new oil. This is the oil we use, sir. Toyota genuine motor. And after that, sir, this part is wheel balancing. As you can see, sir, this is how they do it. This is how the balancing wheel is do it, sir. After the wheel balancing, sir, transfer into a camber. And this part, sir, is only a bonus because this is not part of the uh, payment. This is as the Filipino guy mechanic. You see that is the carburetor, sir, very dirty. And this is now the clean one, sir. Very clean now. We test drive the car with the mechanic and the scanner now, sir. So now it's all good.